This time trying to pierce the gap. Outfield is really quick, and this will be the first VS Interiors 4 tabbing it past. Oh, trying to play so beautifully. I mean, that was such an eye-pleasing shot. Pierce. Look at the shot finished by Viral Shah, and he will get VS Interiors 4. Oh, that was a first shot in the air, and finally, yeah. Oh, very clinically done. This is a mind-blowing. इस बार अपील और out. LBW or Jigar. Oh, bamboozled him. Flighted delivery, and look at the slog sweep. No need to run. Bending. Played high in the air, and Ambish Nipa of the innings. First one came from the bat of skipper. Lofted, and this will be a super. There's a loud appeal, and he will have to. इस बार उठा दिया और बॉल सीधा जाती हुई. क्या शानदार 6 लगाया वहां पर. VS Interiors 6. इस बार पुल कर दिया. इस बार रशीद के पास गेंद गई है. कम से कम 2 रन, और थ्रो अच्छा था. लोअर फुल टॉस ड्राइव कर दिया है. वहां पर यदीन बावसार के बाजू से गुजरती हुई बॉल मैदान. इस बार उठा दिया है वहां पर प्रनील ने, और विस्मय के बाजू से गुजरती हुई. This time brushing the pads. I think very lucky to survive. This will be VS Interiors 4. Nicely turned behind the square. They will be able to. Oh, this will be. This time trying to hook the ball. That ball. Tanay this time. What a delightful lower full toss, and smacking that ball. That goes. इस बार ऑन ड्राइव, और यहां पर गेंद मैदान के बाहर. फुल टॉस बॉल और फेंक दिया. ठोक डाला. इस बार फ्लिक कर दिया है. थोड़ा सा हवा में रही थी. वहां पर कोई क्षेत्र रक्षक नहीं है, और तेज जाती हुई गेंद वहां पर, और यहां पर बोल्ड आउट. इस बार क्या तगड़ा पुल शॉट खेल दिया है. बॉल मैदान के बाहर चली जाएगी. VS Interiors चौका. Oh, he slapped that ball. No need to run for that. Lower full toss, and this will be VS Interiors. Now, Rachit has also started playing his shots. This time, a beautiful looking cover. This time, piercing the gap. He's looked so clinical today. Again, good hand-eye coordination. Placed down the ground, and this will be VS. And this time he has pulled it in the arc. Oh, look at that shot. Rachit got out on 10 of 12 with the help of one VS Interiors. Is bar appeal or out? Look at that shot. What a finish. जी हाँ, और यहाँ पर निश्चित